Musoro mekunge mukomana trenda paitika cyclone feristas mumastreets aiwa baba Harare vadecida kuresponda vakati vedway ndichiri mukristu asi jiti ndokwandiri kuenda ukuwo Denzel Maveve vanoshandidzana naye vamunyorera tsamba yekuti vaclarify kuti aiwa guys Denzel achiri right asi anga achingonida to vent.
He is apologizing on behalf of vaHolyten.
We're saying that vaHolyten is having a psychotic break.
Then zvakare baba vaHolyten vakumbira ruregerero on behalf of vaHolyten vakati dei mamuregerera mukomana hasi kunzwa mushe vanzi vanogara kunze kwenyika vaflya ini kuti vazogadzirisa nyaya idzi ndokubva vanoona ola vakati nai ola ndokumbirawo ndisvitsire kuruzhinji rweZimbabwe kuti mukomana hasi kunzwa zvakanaka. Welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Pano ndo patinodzitaura dzose musakanga mugaize zvakare timu diaspora aiwa kurongeka ndo kwedu kurongeka tiri kuti isusu cash funeral policy yakatinakira kuti kana tinge tashaikirwa neimmediate family kana extended family mbinga tisusu totumira kumusha from 2,500 pounds to 30,000 muri kunzwa here guys 30,000 pounds ndo mari yaunowana depending nepremium yako then unogona kubatsirika kuflya kuenda kumusha kudzoka kukontinua nelife yako uri mucomfort as if nothing happened. Yes, moyo unenge uchirwadza asi homwe yakati shuku kuzara mari. Kune vaya vanofarira manovels handei zvakare kuti novel narrative tine nyaya dzenyu dzakakumirira ikoko kuri kutapira kwakadirwa shuga naika handei kunyaya yedu. So baba Harare release a public statement vakati ivo, the past few days have been awash with responses to my original post about how the gospel industry, not the ministry, is exploiting and manipulating gospel artists. Unfortunately, my statement was deliberately misinterpreted to suggest that I'm no longer a Christian and that I had gone to being an unbeliever. Let me make this clear. I'm a Christian and I will continue to be. That will never change. However, when it comes to my career, I will be singing GT music. This is because I believe the two can coexist. I can remain true to my faith while also being true to my craft and livelihood. Some may not understand that you can be a Christian and still be a talented performer and musician. I choose not to debate that, but instead to focus on my works for me, what works for me in my lane as an individual and as an artist. I want to reassure you, my fans, that I'm definitely back to work, back in the industry I love, an industry that has given me so many opportunities, and in a genre that I have helped curate and shape. Being a GT artist does not make me less of a Christian than someone who solely sings gospel music. This message is especially for my GT family, who has been patient with me as I navigated a difficult personal journey, exploring how my belief system fits with my career as a musician. Thank you for your loyalty and support and love. As we embark on this new chapter together, here's to more success, more wins, more music. I love you all. Cheers, baba Harare. After city vangotaiwa regai vabve vangozvitaurira kuti nyaya yecheche kunzi kwaenda aregedza kuita zvokunamata aiwa munotamba. GT yadzoka mustaira guys, the father is talking because GT yange yarereka baba vasipo matendwa eshitaune baba Harare. You express yourself professionally and zvinoratidza kuti piara munenge makadzibata kuti G tomanyira panyaya yaDenzel nayewo arelease official statement nhasi tinokuvara nechirungu ndodo kuvudza yini. Date Friday 12 September 2025 to our valued fans and supporters. We want to take a moment to address recent concerns and discussions surrounding Denzel Maveve, known as Denzel Official. As his management team, we feel it is essential to provide clarity and context regarding his recent posts and the emotional journey he has been experiencing. Denzel has been living with health challenges that have impacted his life. His heartfelt messages were not meant to seek attention or provoke negativity, but rather to share his truth and the struggles he faces daily. It is important to understand that he has been navigating those challenges while trying to maintain a positive outlook and continue pursuing his dreams. His recent posts reflect his vulnerability and the emotional weight he carries. Denzel's intentions was to reach out, not just to share his pain, but to reconnect with those he cares about and to express gratitude for the support he has received from his fans and friends. He recognizes that his journey is not just his own, it's a shared experience with those who care for him. We appreciate the concern from our community and encourage everyone to come together in kindness. Denzel is committed to his journey of healing and growth, and he values the love and support from each one of you. Your encouragement means the world to him and fuels determination to overcome these challenges. Thank you for your understanding and continued support. Sincerely, manager wake Magaya something panye kuwakane signature dzakadai kunge dzamadokita nayi vedu we zvinhu zvacho zvakaoma, but it is well. Aiwa, isusu kuno kumastreets tatatozviunderstanda kuti kana munhu aine depression, especially zvinhu zvinenge zviri life threatening madiseases akadaro, it is very common kuti abehave the way Denzel is behaving. So depression is real, but he doesn't have to blame people in his circles for not supporting him. Everyone is going through something of their own. You just have to be your own savior sometimes. Keep God close to your heart and you will conquer. We understand that is going through a lot, but there is no need kuti dane vanhu vese veku current seku veku previous seku wobva wavavhiringa guys. Social media needs guidance, otherwise it will cause more harm than good. He might take a break from social media until he's well. However, no one is holy. We wish you well, young man. Kana ukaona chero mutsvene gumi asvika pakunopinda chaimo murehab kundogara mukati nekuti zvaramba zvoutsvene, panenge patoshata. But anyway, topedzisa nenyaya yabva kuna DJ Ola. Vakaudzwa in confidence, asi vazoti ivo aiwa vangarambi vakagarira nyaya yakadai. Vati ivo baba vaHolyten vaka approacha Ola vakati ndandisingazivi kuti mwana wangu asvika pakadai so easy, adzikira zvachose panyaya dze-psychotic behavior yake, so ndarwadzwa zvikuru. Vakapinda munyika 3 days ago to try and solve what was happening. Ndo vakazokwanisa zvakare kuti make sure kuti mukomana anoenda out of the country kunowana rehabilitation. He was actually becoming dangerous. Maspeech ake makamanzwa. Kuna Kimberly pamwe chete nemwana nezvese zvazviitika mumastreets izvi. Saka baba vati ivo vari kukumbira ruregero on behalf of vaHolyten. Hanzi uyo wakabereka sekera mudundundu nekuti zviri kunze uko zvakaoma. Regai tibve tangoisa zvedu Ola achitaura zvacho zvaakanzwa kubva kuna baba.
Really tie him down.
I had a chance to talk to the dad, and he said, Ola, please, most of message yangu, and I'm going to do that. He is apologizing on behalf of vaHolyten.
Oh,
he said, "Boss Baba wagari muna babu."
Oh,
he
okay.
came, yeah, he came. He came. I think 4 days ago to resolve this matter. So he said, you know what, my brother, mwanangu, ndoda kukumbira ruregero kune vese vakatadzirwa naHolyten. Ndangofanisa message pari pa phone, but ndichazonyatsoya in person so that tinyatsogadza nyaya iyi. Mekuti mukomana right now is going through a lot.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe and to share kuti video redu the family.